I'm Adele. I'm one of the physical therapists at Walter Reed Army Medical Center. I wanted to give a shout out to two of my good buddies, Freddie and Evan, and I also wanted to wish the Walter Reed swimmers a good swim.
Hi, I'm Sergeant Major Thompson here at Walter Reed in the MATC. I'd just like to say good luck to everybody that's competing in the Warrior Games, especially those folks from Walter Reed, and have a great week. Thanks.
I'm Daniel Carroll. I'm a prosthetist.
Hi, I'm Mike Stevens. I'm a technician.
Art Molnar, process.
John Warren, process.
Good luck to Team Walter Reed at the Warrior Games.
Good luck, Halsey.
Hey guys, it's Christy from Occupational Therapy at Walter Reed Army Medical Center. We're sending our best to you guys. I hope you do awesome, do us proud, and I'm so proud of all of you that went, and I'm sure you'll do great things. Good luck!
Hi everybody, hope you're having a great time out there in Colorado Springs. I want you to all do well, and whatever you do, just have a good time and score as many gold medals as you possibly can. And